Hello, my name is Rhys and I'm the Vice Principal here at GEMS International School, Penang. I studied for a BA and PGC in the UK and spent the early part of my career teaching ICT at a school in Swindon. After leaving the UK, I spent 8 years in Kazakhstan working as the head of sixth form and then the head of secondary at an international school in Almaty. GEMS International School Penang is an exciting place to be with huge potential for growth. And with the backing of a huge global network through GEMS, I'm excited about what can be achieved here. Penang itself is an incredibly diverse community and is almost a physical embodiment of globalization. The wealth of culture and the opportunities for my family to experience new things are what attracted me to Malaysia and Penang in particular. Our students can maximize their learning experience at GEMS International School Penang through taking every opportunity that an international education provides. Whether that's through immersion in another language, taking part in trips or student exchanges, or simply capitalizing on the opportunity to learn and thrive in small, personalized groups. The main advice I would give to students throughout their primary and secondary study would be to take a risk. It's too easy to sit back and let things happen around you. Put your hand up, get a question wrong, take a role in a school play, even if it scares you. Try a new sport, whatever it is. There's never a better time to take a positive risk in your life than during your school years. Every child is different, but I believe that if children are nurtured in the right way and they have the right people around them, then they can find their niche and excel in the area where their talents lie. The teachers at GIP are trained to make sure they get to know the full picture for each individual child that they teach. And with a holistic pastoral system underpinning our rigorous academic and co-curricular programs, we're confident we can find the greatness in every child.